Fixing activation code already in use in Rockstar games is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So first thing first, open up the Rockstar Games launcher, and once you have done that, all you have to do is sign in with your account and go to the settings. In setting, you will see that there will be a general setting, load when computer starts, minimize on the on close and disable Windows key. So simply go ahead and click on this button, disable Windows key, and for the any other sort of information, simply go ahead and uncheck all of these things. So once you do that, all you have to do is to restart your computer, and by doing that, your issue will be fixed. So this is pretty much it. And if the issue still persists, all you guys can do is to delete all the local files that your computer still have. So for that, go to the documents and search for the Rockstar. And if you find any sort of Rockstar Games documents over here, simply go ahead and delete the launcher files. Make sure that they are deleted so there is no local profile in it. So after that, all you have to do is to restart your PC again, and that will fix the issue. I hope you find this really helpful.